know what? There's not a lot you really need to go out walking or hiking. Yeah, sure, you want to go like camping, like wild camping in the deeps of winter or the depths of winter even, you know what? You need some heavy duty kit. But you want to pop out and start getting hiking, walking and stuff in the UK, you don't need a huge amount. I mean, I've got a coat here I picked up in a charity store. It cost me a couple of quid. It was a Peter Storm coat, you know, it's just sitting there. Well, yeah, okay, it's supposed to be waterproof, but you know, it'll do for a few months. I have some other stuff, but you know, you can pick up stuff pretty cheap. The backpack I've got is like maybe a 25 litre day pack at the back. It's an old-fashioned Kangol, you know, pre-Sports Direct, I think. You know, it's kind of durable, needs a little bit of patching up. It cost me £1.50. You know, it's open top. I can get a lot of, I mean, I do a lot of camera stuff and when I'm out walking and stuff, so I can get that in. There's some you know, lunch stuff and some waterproofs and things. Okay, there's no side thing for water bottles, but hey, you know, it's not perfect. But I can leave that in the boot of my car, and if I want to do that, so there's very little excuse of not going out and just starting hiking or walking. You know, you can, yeah, okay, you can wait till the kind of the money comes in, you win the lottery, and you can buy loads and loads of expensive kit. But are you going to use that, or do you just get out there, use what you've got? You know, I'm not suggesting go out and wearing, you know, like sandals in the middle of winter or shoes that leak or boots. But you know what? You can pick up some cheap stuff. Okay, they're not ideal. They're not the best walking boots. They're not the best jackets. And okay, and if you're going to worry about people judging you, yeah, okay, perhaps you shouldn't do that. Me, I don't really care. I'll wear expensive stuff, cheap stuff. And if I pick something up cheap and I'll try it, that's great. I'll do that. But you know what? I don't think people making excuses wanting to get out there to go walking, camping, hiking, whatever you want to call it, or just rambling in an old-fashioned sense. You really need to actually wait until you've got the most expensive kit or the lightest kit, or spend more time weighing how many grams a spoon may be before you actually put it in your mouth, you know. I don't think it's suitably necessary for most people like myself, you know. I'm just out there, you know, I'm covering some miles when I can, or I'm camping when I can, you know what. And great, if I could afford titanium pots, great, that's wonderful, but it's not going to stop me going out if I've got to, you know, pop a few holes in a tin of beans and heat it up so it doesn't explode. You know what, you make do, get out there, build up with what you get and start going. I mean, this bag I have here on the back is £1.50, I think it was. It's like, you know what, I've paid more money for a bag for life, you know what. So there you go. So in my opinion, is just get out there, start doing. If you like it, then you can invest your money. If not, you haven't wasted any money. Put it in a charity shop, and yeah, maybe someone like me will pick it up and reuse it or recycle it or give it on to someone else who wants it. And that's a great thing. So once your stuff's, you know, worn out and you decide to get some more stuff, you know, pass it on, share it, give it to somebody who wants to give it a try. Or put it into a charity shop where somebody might make some use of it, rather than just, you know, become a gear hoarder. I mean, yeah, great. You can have loads of it, but you know what, I tend to pass stuff on to people and let someone else have a go at it. But there you go, that's me anyways. But I just think you just get out there and make the best use you possibly can of what you've got, what you can afford.